Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to do square roots of perfect squares. So all I want you guys to remember is this table, because this table is going to be very useful in this method. So here you have the squares of numbers from 1 to 9, and we use this table so that we get to know what is the last digit possible for each number. So let's take 3969. So what two numbers have the squares which end with the number 9? Correct, it is 3 and 7. So I write it over here. Now we cancel this out, we don't require this anymore. Now what is the highest square number under 39? Correct, that is 36, and 36 is basically 6 square. 6 square. Now you have this. Now what you have to do is that now you have 6 as your answer over here. But just to see that between these two numbers which one is the correct answer, we have to now multiply this with the next number. What is the next number? 7. This. Now, is 42 greater or lesser than 39? It is greater than 39. So what you have to do is that you have to take the number which is smaller. Whenever this result is bigger than the number you have cancelled out or not cancelled out, then you have to take a smaller number. And whenever this number is smaller than the number you have not cancelled out, you have to take the bigger number. But in this case, this number is bigger, so you're going to take the smaller one. And 63 square is equal to 3969. Now let's look at another case. Slightly bigger, but we can still use this method. Now which numbers have a square which ends with the number 6? Correct, it is 4 and 6. So we cancel these two only out. So remember, whenever you're doing squares, just cancel 2 digits whenever you're doing this. Now 158. It might seem a big number, but the square which is the highest under 158 is 12 square, which is 144. Now what is 12 into 13? 12 into 13 is 156. Now 156 this time is smaller than the number we have not cancelled out. So now we take the bigger number from these two. So we get 126. Now let's look at another case. There is only one number which has its square which ends with 5, and that is 5. So we can skip that step where we multiply it. So we cancel this out. Now this is a very huge number, but we can say that this is very as we all know that 64 square is somewhere around 4000 something. So I have to take one or two numbers smaller than that. So I'll take 62. 62 square is 3844. So that's perfect. And now I can just simply put my number over here. That is 625. So now 625 square is 390,625. Now I'm going to show you one case where this method cannot be applied at all. Two numbers have the squares which end with 9, which is 3 and 7. Cancel this out, because a square under 76, it is going to be 8. 8 into 9 is 72, which is smaller than 76. So we take 87. But if you use your calculators and solve it, 87 into 87 is 7569. 7569. So that means your answer is wrong. So always remember that you can use this method only if it is justified that the number given to you is perfect. Or what you could do is that you could try using this method when the square root, when the number which you have to find the square root of ends with 0, 1, 4, 5 and 9 and 6 as well. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. I'm going to make a video where you can use a method to find out squares of non-perfect squares. Thank you for watching.